Welcome to Math Tutor channel. This channel contains videos for NCERT mathematics from class 6 to 12. So after seeing the video, if you have any doubts, you can contact the mail ID given at the end. If you want math tuition also, you can contact the mail ID and get the details. In this video, we will see NCERT mathematics for class 12. Chapter 1 Relations and Functions. Next is example number 15. Let f equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 mapped to 3, 4, 5, 9 and g is a function which is mapping 3, 4, 5, 9 to 7, 11 and 15 be the functions defined by f of 2 equal to 3, f of 3 equal to 4 and f of 4 equal to f of 5 equal to 5 and g of 3 equal to g of 4 equal to 7. So just do the mapping now. And the given function f of 2 is mapped to 3, f of 3 is mapped to 4, f of 4 and 5 are mapped to 5. Similarly in g, g of 3 and g of 4 is mapped to 7. This is the condition given, and g of 5 and g of 9 is mapped to 11. So now we have to find out composition of f and g, which is given by g into f of x. So now substitute value for x. F of 2, if you check the mapping, f of 2 in the first mapping, it is f of 2 is mapped to 3. This 3 in the g of x is mapped to 7. So now the composition of g of f of 2 is 7. Similarly, g into f of 3. f of 3 is mapped to 4. This 4 in the g of x is mapped to 7. So g into f of 3 is 7 now. f of 4 in first function is mapped to 5. 5 in the second is mapped to 11. So g into f of 4 is 11. So g into f of 5 is mapped to 5 is mapped to 5. This 5 is mapped to again 11. So the result is 11. அடுத்தது example number 16. Find g composition of f and f composition of g if function f r tends to r and g is r tends to r are given by f of x equal to cos x and g of x is equal to 3x square. Show that g composition f is not equal to f composition g. So f of x is equal to cos x. Now the formula for composition g is g into f of x. So substitute f of x value inside the bracket. So cos x. What is the function g? G is 3x square. So now g of x instead of x we have cos x. So substitute this x value in 3x square. So we will get 3 into cos square x. Next, on the other side, g composition f is given by f of g of x. So what is g of x? G of x is 3x square. What is f of x? F of x is cos. So cos into 3x square. So cos into 3x square is not equal to 3 cos square x. So they are not equal. Next we will see example number 17. The function here given is f of x equal to 4x plus 3, where y is set of all, y belongs to the natural number, y equal to 4x plus 3 for x belongs to natural number. So if x is a natural number, they have given, and we have to prove it is invertible or not. So consider f of x equal to 4x plus 3. Let y equal to 4x plus 3. From that I can find x equal to y minus 3 by 4. Now the another function g of y is y minus 3 by 4. So first function is f of x, second function is g of y. Now find out f composition g. So g of x equal to, in 4x plus, f of x is 4x plus 3. Substitute this in g value. G is y minus 3 by 4. Instead of y, substitute f of x. F of x is 4x plus 3. So cancel plus 3 and minus 3, 4 and 4. We will get x. This indicates that from x, if I take a function, I got f of x. And if I take g for this f of x, then I got g into f of x, which I got the result as x. That is the original x value, which is invertible. This you can see in the state diagram. Similarly, g composition f can be given by f of g of y. So g of y is y minus 3 by 4. Substitute this in 4x plus 3. So I got y after simplification. So if I draw a diagram for this, y is a state. If I take function for this, I got g of y. If I take f function for this g of y, I got f into g of y. So this result is again y, the original y value. So this is again, we got the initial position, that is initial state y. So this is invertible. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can contact the mail ID mentioned this video in mathtutor1502@gmail.com. If you want math tuition, you can also contact the same mail ID. The tuition will be taken in 2 languages. One is Tamil, another one is English. Thank you all.